To start shorting on SoFi, you first need to understand what shorting is. Shorting is a trading strategy where you sell a stock you do not own with the expectation of buying it back at a lower price to make a profit. SoFi is a financial services company that offers a platform for trading stocks, including shorting. The first step to shorting on SoFi is to open a margin account. A margin account allows you to borrow money from SoFi to purchase or short stocks. You can apply for a margin account through the SoFi website or mobile app. Once you have a margin account, you need to find a stock you want to short. You can browse through the SoFi platform to find stocks that are available for shorting. Not all stocks are available for shorting, so you need to check the availability before placing a short order. To place a short order, you need to specify the number of shares you want to short and the price at which you want to short them. You can choose from different types of short orders, including market orders and limit orders. A market order will short the stock at the current market price, while a limit order will short the stock at a specific price you set. After you place a short order, SoFi will lend you the shares to sell. You will then need to buy back the shares to close the short position. If you buy back the shares at a lower price than you sold them for, you will make a profit. However, if you buy back the shares at a higher price, you will incur a loss. It is essential to understand the risks involved in shorting. Shorting can result in significant losses if the stock price rises instead of falls. You can also be subject to margin calls, which require you to deposit more money into your account to cover the losses. To manage the risks, you need to set a stop-loss order, which will automatically close the short position if the stock price reaches a certain level. You should also monitor your account regularly to ensure you have enough funds to cover any losses. In conclusion, shorting on SoFi requires a margin account, a thorough understanding of the trading platform, and a well-thought-out strategy. It is crucial to understand the risks involved and take steps to manage them. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively short on SoFi and potentially make a profit.